My name is Katie Fairborn, and I am a senior in the music therapy program here at Utah State. And throughout my education here, I have really learned a lot about music therapy. And music therapy is really diverse and very general because there's so many different populations and places that you could go as a music therapist. And in one of my classes, I was introduced very briefly to this interdisciplinary training called Neurologic Music Therapy, or NMT. But because of the nature of the class being so diverse in general, we didn't have a lot of time to dive into the specifics of this training and what makes it different from other trainings. And so what I decided to do was I came up with this research project where I examined the applicability of this NMT training when combined with a music therapy training. So NMT is generalized in the sense that anybody can take it that works in a medical profession, and it specializes in research and techniques and principles that understand how the brain responds to music. And so as I learned more about it, I thought, why aren't music therapists taking this training? Why is it not required? Because it seemed so intuitive to me. So throughout this project, I decided to analyze and document the change that a music therapist undergoes after they take this training, where other research kind of approaches the client side of neurologic music therapy, showing that it is beneficial for the clients, but it doesn't really nothing reflects how the training impacts a music therapist. So as I went throughout my project, I looked at different stages of music therapy processes, including a planning and facilitating a live session, and then documenting that session. As I worked with clients and implemented what I learned in this training, I found that I had an increased awareness of what was happening in the session. I was able to assess and better describe what was going on inside my clients, what they needed, because I understood neurologic processes so much better. And on the flip side, I understood how to utilize music in a more specific way that helped my clients reach their goals and helped them achieve success. And so I found that this training was really beneficial for music therapists, and this information is really important to share with other music therapists or music therapy students, because as they understand more about neurologic music therapy and learn that it can impact their practice and their training as well. Thank you.